Assalamu alaikum. Let's start, Ji. Thank you for joining today's corporate briefing session. We appreciate your interest. Today, we will provide overview of our performance and financial outlook, followed by Q&A session. First, I would like to introduce executive management team, Mr. Imran Hani, Chief Executive Officer. Joining him is Mr. Adil Zaidi, Chief Financial Officer. Let's start from the first slide. This is basically mission and strategic objective. The second is KSB Pumps Company Limited Pakistan timeline frame when it came in Pakistan in 1959, set up in Pakistan 1964, factory set up in Hassan Abdal 1979, declared as public listed company, got registration with stock exchange. In 1980, established own foundry. In 2000, obtained MBK certificate, part of the global manufacturing network. In 2007, expansion in machine shop, added CNC and modernization of machine shop. 2009, 50-year celebration. First subsidiary in Asia achieving this milestone. In 2018, expansion in foundry, fully automatic HSPD molding line. In 2024, issuance of right shares. Basically, the holding company of KSB Pakistan is KSB SC, who is holding 80% shares of KSB Pakistan. This is basically the market area: water, energy, petrochemical, general industry, building services, mining. A product portfolio: manufacturing facility at Hassan Abdal, machine shop, foundry, and other allied departments like MCU, filtration plants. Financial overview. Now I request Mr. Zedi to share his insight on our financial.
So the company has performed, on top line, our revenue has increased from 5.7 billion to 6.6 billion last year. So this is a change of 14%. So this was the growth rate for the company. At our EBIT level, we are at 4.5% last year. So that's our EBIT. If you see, there is financial cost significant in 2024, 295, which was covered by the right issue. We issued the shares and we paid off those interest costs. And that's why our financial cost decreased in 2025. Overall, the company performed, the earning per share also improved in 2025 from 3 rupees per share to 6.8, which is almost 7. We also put some notes on the right side that the overall sales was up by 14%. This was mostly because of pumps division. There was a growth and there was an increase of 865 million revenue. The increase in sales also contributed to profitability. That's what we are saying over here. The profitability is standing at 210 million. As compared to last year, we were at only 56 million. So this also resulted in the earning per share improvement. Thank you.
Thank you. Business, this is basically business outlook. Now I would like to request Mr. Imran Hani, Chief Executive Officer, to share his insights further.
As explained by Mr. Faisal Aman, that we are operating in all market area, be it water, which is our largest area of doing business in Pakistan, and general industry is the second one. So in these areas, as long as there are opportunities for us, so we have been able to expand our portfolio. There has been a bit of spending in the infrastructure in the last year, couple of years before this year and upcoming year also. So we have been able to capture significant share in that activity. we are not doing the business directly with the public sector. So our partners, our dealers, they have been able to buy the pumps from us and sell those to the end customers, which is actually the state-owned organizations. The other focus area for us was export portfolio. So in exports, we have been able to grow from in last 3 years from 500 million to roughly 2 billion. So that's a 4 times growth. And through digitization and modernization, installation of solar cells at the factory, so we have been able to improve our operational efficiency significantly. Apart from that, we have invested in our manpower, the qualification of people. So we had an engineer from Germany supporting our foundry team to improve our skill set, improve the quality of the product. At the end of the day, this is what KSP is known for, that we sell products with highest level of quality. Thank you.
Now we are open to answer your questions, sir. Please.
I think.
Assalamu alaikum. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Yes.
This is Mohammad Iqbal from AWT Investments. Sir, I have a question with regards to the K4 project in Karachi and Lahore project. So what is the update on that with regards to the pumps, orders and all? And also, what about the Recodic project? Are you receiving orders for that as well? These are just my questions.
First question regarding K4. We have collaborated with Descon, which is the main contractor, and we have participated in that tender as a specialist contractor. We are supposed to, or rather we were supposed to supply the equipment, which is the pump house equipment, main pumps and the motors. So that supply scope has been completed now. The equipment is available at site. The issue remains that the site is not ready for commissioning. So that will, as soon as that site is ready for commissioning, particularly with regard to the power supply, so the pumps will be commissioned. So our responsibility is more or less 95% executed already. Regarding Lahore project, these were infrastructure projects for the wastewater supply. So most of the pumps which were supposed to be supplied, those have been supplied, and it's a continuous process. So it is going to continue in year 26, 27 also. So we are optimistic to have lion's share in that at the same time. And thirdly, Recodic moves at its own pace. So there are 2 parts of it. One is the main equipment for the mining. So those purchases has not started yet. When it comes to dewatering services and the equipment for the freshwater supply, so there we are getting our share. But that is not a significant part actually.
All right.
Thank you.
Sir, any timeline, if possible, do you expect for those orders to start from Recodic project or any other project in Balochistan?
Basically, the main project is right now a Recodic project. It will move on its own pace. We can't control it. The most important thing for them is the global security situation, which always hinders the activities at site. To our knowledge, there is a slowdown in that activity, but the buying process will continue as soon as the situation stabilizes a little bit.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Any other question? If no other question,
Jasim Saab ka ek question. Mr. Jasim has a question. So please feel free to ask.
We cannot hear you if you're talking, Mr. Jasim.
अपना माइक अनम्यूट कीजिएगा जासिम साहब.
We still cannot hear you. No, आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.
नहीं हमारे
नहीं, हमारी
चैट पे मैसेज आया हुआ.
मैं देखूं.
स्क्रीन के ऊपर कैसे देखेंगे?
स्क्रीन पे कैसे है?
वो चैट पे एक क्वेश्चन है उधर रेज किया हुआ हैंड उन्होंने.
The structural demand of submersible pumps in Pakistan in the coming 2-3 years. ये सर सवाल है. Structural demand of submersible pumps.
Usman, how do you see the structural demand of submersible pumps in Pakistan in coming 2-3 years?
Submersible pumps is actually one of the products which we are collaborating with our Shanghai office. The product is not manufactured in Pakistan because this is basically there are two types of submersible pumps, which one type is what we make in Pakistan. Those are the casted ones. The other one are the sheet metal fabricated ones. So casted ones we manufacture in Pakistan where the water table is fine. So that demand remains there. But on the other hand, there is another demand which is for those low cost pumps for agriculture market. So there we buy the pumps from our sister company in Shanghai, in China, and we participate in and we supply those pumps also wherever it is required.
Another question is from Mr. Jasim. Going forward, expectations, sales gross margin in current year 26.
Maybe I can answer this question. So for the revenue, I mean, as we this is a difficult year, 2026, based on the economic conditions that we have. But in KSB, we are still confident to achieve growth in revenue. We are foreseeing growth somewhere from 5 to 10% in revenue numbers. And similarly, on the gross margin, we are seeing trying to improve the gross margin by 2 to 3%. So that's the target that we are hoping to achieve in 2026.
Any other question?
I think due to current Middle East cost impact.
Basically, the supply chain is severely disrupted right now. It is not only the international supply chain, so that is one part. Locally in Pakistan, Islamabad has been shut down a couple of times already in the first half of the year. So for 2 weeks, we were very close to shut down of the factory also at the same time. So this impacts. And ultimately, at the end of the day, the cost of doing business because of the increase in the fuel cost has significantly increased. As Mr. Zadi mentioned, that we try to maintain or improve our gross margin. That is a challenge right now. We will also be having a price revision in this month. And going forward, we will be reviewing that on quarterly basis. So if there is a urgent need, so we will, at the end of the day, our customers has to bear or share the cost of doing business with us also, as we are sharing, because the logistic cost is going up and up every day. So there is no control on it.
Absolutely.
Any other question?
Energy requirement for factory. So the question from Mr. Jasif.
Yeah, basically, the total requirement of energy in the factory is roughly 3 megawatts. We already have a 2 megawatt installed base. We are going to increase that also in this year. So we will get to around 3 megawatts. But we have to understand that the solar is not available throughout the day in 24 hours. So it is roughly 30% of whatever we can. So that is the maximum we can achieve from that. Rest of the energy cost is coming from the national grid. We are making sure that we operate our plant during the day maximum, and the foundry operations are done during when the maximum sunlight is available.
Percentage.
I already mentioned that energy mix from renewable is around 30% of our total consumption.
Any other question, please?
Just for the information of the forum, you are well aware of the this regional situation, and which is actually a global situation. So that is a challenge for everyone who is doing business. That challenge is there. Rest assured that KSP Pakistan team, management team, and operations team in the factory, we are up to the mark. We are doing our whatever is in our control. So we are making sure that we operationally improve, and we do not incur losses or any undue costs which are coming from the cost of non-conformers. So our product has to be up to the mark. The quality of the product has to be there. And we optimize our cost in that way. So this assurance we can give to our shareholders. If there are no more questions, Mr. Faisal, you can close the session then.
Any other question? Over to you for closing remarks.
Thank you very much, sir, for joining in. And on behalf of KSB Board of Directors and management team in Pakistan, we are fully committed to deliver value to our respected shareholders. We do our best to keep the flag high in this challenging environment. And at the end of the day, we serve you better. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.